A T. Should we make another T? T. Should we make another T? Here, hold the pen. Hold the pen. Good job.
So what will these 100 competitors, bikers,
Oh, that's a tall T. Should we try another one? Here. Let's go. Did you make another T?
I think in the 30-degree below zero range at night, but it's, regardless, a huge physical challenge. You go for hours on end. Some racers will go straight through the night and not sleep at all. And
Ooh, what's that letter? What's that letter? Is that pretty? Did you make that? All different color squares. No. What color is that?
Red.
There's red.
Red.
Can you say have a good day?
Red.